Hello and welcome everybody to the channel. Dr. Crypto is back hosting you on another altcoin gem for today, guys. What is up, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And we will be looking at DeFi yield protocol, altcoin gem with nearly 7 million market cap. So you can call it a real hell of a gem. But guys, before we jump into it, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, you smash that like button, especially if you are already in DeFi yield protocol community, so you want this video to go viral and let everybody know about the project. I think that's gonna be good for both of us. So guys, let's jump into it without any more blah 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 blah. Okay, what is DeFi yield protocol? What is the project? What potential it has? Does it have potential to go upside, make some 100,000x that we're looking for? Or it's actually there to die and be forgotten? So guys, looking at this one, 7 million of market cap, of course, is very interesting because it has a lot of room to go up, that's for sure. Okay, putting this to the side, let's look at the tokenomic. 30 million of total supply, max supply 25 and something, and 12.5 million is already in circulating. I feel good because it's verified by coin market cap. It has Ethereum contract and of course Binance Smart Avalanche. That's quite nice. So this is an interoperable project and I love to see that, to be honest with you. But guys, before we jump more into the project and figure it out, I have to give you a quick disclaimer that you shouldn't take this as a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are all, we are friends all here together. We're trying to build a community. I tell you one gem, you tell me another one. I tell you about trading ideas, you tell me. From the top coins to all the way to down in the bottom of the coin market cap, we try to figure out, we try to make money, and anything make us money is just good regardless of the direction of the market. We short, we long, we invest, we do whatever long and short term. So all I want to say, you have to do your own research at the end, because this is a gem. This is not something that you want to put all of your money into it. But of course, sometimes some of these, as you can see in this crazy alt season that we are seeing right now, in the top of the Binance, some coins, they are 20-30%. I see right now something by 400% just jumped up in the Binance. We love to be in this kind of nice rides. So let's see if in this community we can figure out some of these nice projects, right? And guys, of course, if you want to support the channel, I'm not asking about any donation or something. I'm not giving you any address, wallet, or whatever. But I sometimes actually make this kind of nice covers. So if you want to support the channels, you can get it yourself. I actually ordered myself. This is very nice. This is Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is probably one of the hottest NFT of these days. Yes, I'm just designing sometimes. If you would like, link in the description down below, you can get it for yourself. And let's just jump back into DeFi yield protocol. So guys, I'm gonna go directly to the graph. I'm not gonna open TradingView or something because most of these tokens, they're not even existing there yet, as they are not very liquid. That's why actually we love it, because we want to get into it when nobody knows about them, right? So it was introduced to the market. Of course, a nice pump at the beginning. It was going up, almost hitting the $5. It actually kissed $5, it went down, and here we had some kind of a conflict. Then we actually plunged to the bear market of this token. Anyways, when I'm looking at this graph, of course, when I look in here, I don't want to buy in here. I don't want to buy in this area. I love to buy in this down area. But of course, the question is this project is actually enough good to make it all the way back, hit the all-time high, and when it hits and it just break the all-time high, of course it can smash through it and go, and the sky could be limit, but of course if the project is legit, and if the project of course is just a shitty coin, sometimes it happens, it just continue going down, and it could be that you like leverage trading, sometimes you get liquidated, if you just go crazy, and this could happen with altcoin gem. That's why. So you have to be careful. Just don't get so much excited with watching my video or other people's video and say, oh, I want to go all into it. No, this is not that. This is not working like that. You have to, I always tell you, you have to, when it comes to altcoin gem especially, you have to look at the project. You have to look at the team. You have to look at the partners. And these are what giving potential to some gems to grow. Okay, guys, all I want to say is just graph wise, I want to tell you that when we're looking at something like this, we can call the bottom right in here or in this area, right? But we have to jump into the project, figure it out, see if it actually has the potential to make its way back up. Anyways, so let's go to its website. I think I've read about it, and I think here also have a good description. This is DeFi. You know, DeFi projects are hot. Look at, I mean, in the top of a compound, I mean, synthetics and many others, because DeFi is here to stay. DeFi gonna be actually the future. If you believe in cryptocurrency as I do, DeFi will be project for the future. Of course, there are some NFT spreads. Well, you can see how some of these also offer NFTs. But the thing is, NFT, a lot of hype, a lot of crazy stuff going on about it. We don't know actually what's going to happen at the end. But DeFi, if cryptocurrency is there to replace the fiat currencies and all our dreams going to come true at the end, for sure, DeFi gonna play the most probably important role in the future, because these are actually, I believe, the ones that are working to replace the fiat currencies, banks, and all this stuff, right? So let's look at what they actually say. Earn 100% APR with DYP pullback. So deposit, I mean, you have the deposit, you can deposit all this from stable coins to some others, for example, RAB BTC, RAB Ethereum, all this stuff, and earn 100% APR in DYP. DYP is the actually token of DeFi yield protocol. And to start earning, all you need to do is deposit one of the supported asset into the buyback contract. All assets will then be automatically converted into DYP if it lets me to continue reading, and deposit into the staking contract. The rewards are distributed automatically and can be claimed every day. What I say here, maximize your yield. For me, yeah, I've actually seen that they are trying to fight the whales. I think we love that, right, guys? The market manipulation, you know how crazy it goes. They just dump Bitcoin 10,000, they pump it 10,000. Of course, there are a lot of manipulation going on in the market, and this project actually, for the first time I saw something about it, it wants to fight whales. Hope it will be successful. I would love that. I don't know if you also love it. I think if all of us, except whale themselves, will love to see that something that will fight them eventually. Anyway, the DeFi protocol works to, oh my god, to curb the influence of the large whale users. The protocol employs an anti-manipulation feature that aims to limit the market impact on users, converting reward into ETH and other native platform tokens. Anti-manipulation aims to maintain stability, fair access to liquidity, and provide a secure and simplified DeFi platform for you. I mean, that's good. That's cool. That's, to me, sounds great. I mean, if you would like to read about it, you know, I gave you the basic idea. This is some place that you're gonna put your asset. They change it to DYP, which is the token, and then they give you a reward, which is crazy. Actually, I looked at in here. I think it was right here that actually, no, it wasn't. Where was it? Earn. I was just checking it. Actually, I will find it where it was. The earn buyback. Yeah, here. So ETH, they pay you back in this AVAX, which is Avalanche. You know, it's one of my favorite, and this is hard Binance or Ethereum. Then you just click on them 100%. There is a video tutorial. You can go and watch it yourself. I actually recommend this to go and watch. Not many people has watched it, and 106 views is almost nothing. So you have to watch it yourself, and you have to have a broad understanding of what's happening in this project actually. So next question, we know what the project is. Yes, you put your I mean, your tokens, your asset, you save it here, either is stable, whatever it is. Then they change it to DYP. They actually every day at 12 o'clock in the morning, I mean, they give the rewards, and that's pretty much cool to my beliefs. And the thing is, next question. After we know the project, next question is what is the team behind it? So probably in the about us, here is the team, right? I like that. I love to see that. I mean, for when it comes to Alcon Gem, it's hard for me to go with the totally decentralized one, and you don't know who made them, who is behind them, and this stuff, because it's so risky. Even, for example, what happened with the sushi swap. Sushi swap is actually decentralized, it's in the top, but still people cannot trust it because they're not, the team is unknown behind it. Anyways, the team is clear here. People, are they having their profile, their pictures, whatever you can, you can find, you can read about them, and you can find yourself if you can trust them. That's to your, depend on your personality, all this stuff, and risk reward, and all the level that you risk. So the team is also clear. And of course, I don't expect partnership in this project to be, actually, they are in the media, they had good coverage. I've seen, for example, this Yahoo Finance and all this, for example, Crypto Compare and all this stuff, Bitcoin Magazine and all this stuff, they have been, talking about them. And here, there are their announcement. You can, for example, is live on Avalanche. These are good stuff I'm seeing. DeFi protocol will be integrated with Coin98 wallets. The buyback program, a lot of, these are looking good to me. I'm just introducing the project. If you're interested, of course, open it, read it yourself. It's gonna for sure help you to understand. Very cool. It has night mode and all this stuff. The website is looking to me enough professional for this level. Of course, they will upgrade on this stuff if they tend to grow. And in their Twitter, I also checked. This one was 52,000 amount of the followers. Very interesting to me, because usually I see this kind of project, they have little community, 10,000, 7,000 of followers, and this 52,000 is one of the thing. Actually, when you buy to altcoin gem, you want it to have a strong community that they believe in it, they support it. So as much as more news coming out about it, as much as more coverage they have in the media. For example, this simple video that I'm making right now, you, with your like, with your comments, with subscription to the channel and all this stuff, you can push this project forward if you're in the community, to let others know about it. So don't miss that chance. And anyways, always check how a team is active behind it. They have some kind of retweet in the past 15 hours. DeFi protocol expands the ecosystem by introducing a launchpad platform. That's actually quite nice. Now you see, they have some kind of also here. This is the last what they wrote. Have you used this one? The DYP Vault. This is an automated contract with compound finance integration and support. Wow. Guys, this is one of the projects that I'm considering seriously. I'm watching market closely because we have some kind of dangerous up and down side, but this is one of my gem that I'm considering. Let me know what you think about this project, because I am revealing this to you, and of course you have ideas. You guys are all professional in this market, I believe, most of you. Some of you are new, but that's why I have to all the time mention, guys, you have to do your research. This is an altcoin gem. You're not gonna say that, for example, some people, they don't know even how the price moves work. I don't care how much is the price. I care about the market cap. I care about the circulating. So maybe for real, one time I have to see them make a video and educate some people that this one, for example, of course, potentially this one could go, to a couple of dollars if the market cap holds. But for example, people are seeing, for example, a project has, for example, I don't know, like, let's say, for example, let's say Dogecoin, okay? Everybody knows about Dogecoin, right? Where Dogecoin is at the moment, it's for sure in the top 10, right? Why is this like this today? Okay, they had some kind of... Anyways, Dogecoin is laying right here. I have heard, you don't believe, or maybe you also think the same. Please educate yourself more. They look at the Dogecoin, they say, wow, is 25 cents. Bitcoin once upon a time was kind of this price, so maybe if we buy into the Dogecoin will be also 40,000 per each. No, guys, you have to educate yourself. You have to understand the market cap. This is what is important. The price I don't give a freak about what the price is. Market cap is important. The supply is important. If the market cap is able to double, triple, 10x, 1000x, then you will benefit on your investment. Other than that, price is just a number, I would say, and the quantity even doesn't matter. I'd rather to buy one coin with a market cap which is able to double up than 10 million coins which is already saturated and there is no more room to go. So guys, I think I gave you the needed information. You're gonna also share this video in your communities if you have in Twitter or something, so we can let others know. And don't forget once again to subscribe to the channel. I just made my channel. I've been in the crypto space for a long time, but I was probably lazy or busy, late to make the channel, but I finally made it. And I love to build a community with you. So welcome. Hit the subscribe button, and I appreciate that, and help to spread this video. So guys, thank you for your time. I really appreciate that. Have a nice day and be blessed. Dr. Crypt is out.